Hey all, it's Alma with the Cat's Pajamas, and today I want to show you how to assemble these cute and festive wine collars for your holiday parties. It's easy with our holiday wine collar digi-kit. In the kit you get 3 wine collars, an elf, Santa, and a reindeer. Let's do the Santa first. Cut out all the pieces and check the fit. I like to use glue for these wine collars, that way it gives me a little bit of wiggle room. Place the glue on the back of the smallest piece, like this nose on the beard. Now we'll do the shoes and place it on the base. And the pom-pom on the hat. And the fur for the coat and the belt. And finally, we'll add the buckle. Now we're going to check the placement of the beard on the collar. You'll notice that on the base, there's a perforation. So fold the collar so you can see it better. Now I can get a better idea of where to put the glue on the beard. Place the glue on the back of the beard below where the perforation on the base would fall, so that the top of the beard and the nose will stand up when the wine collar is folded. And that's it. Look how cute this little Santa is. Now let's do the elf. Cut out and assemble all the pieces just like we did with the Santa. And do a dry fit of all the pieces to make sure that they're going the right way. This is also a good way to check to make sure all the pieces are right side up before you put glue on them. Once you've done that, flip over the pieces and use glue to attach. I like to start at the feet and work my way up with this little cutie. So the feet first, attach them to the elf base, and then the socks, and then the shirt. I like spreading the glue all the way to the points. Now line up the top of the shirt with the perforations on the base. And then the belt and buckle. And now for the collar. Add glue to the base above the perforations on the base. Then add the last piece, which is the collar, lining it up with the points. Fold along the perforation and then add to your wine bottle. Wouldn't it be cute with a little jingle bell hot glued to the top of the wine bottle? I think so. Now let's do the reindeer. Assemble and cut out all the pieces and dry fit them to make sure all the pieces fit. Use glue to place the pattern on the sweater, and then the sweater onto the reindeer base. Add glue, and lining up the edges, place the sweater collar on the reindeer base. Now place the face on the reindeer. The reindeer doesn't have a score line, and it uses the cap of the wine bottle for his nose. But if you did want to put a score line in, I would do it from edge to edge above the sweater neck, and be careful not to place glue on the face below where the score would be. Finally, add the muzzle to the top of the reindeer. And that's it. This little cutie would be perfect on bottles of wine with red foil, don't you think? These wine collars are so festive and fun and are so easy to make it in a pinch, one by one, or en masse. I hope you give them a try. Have a great day.